Alright, so somebody brought up a good idea. Why don't I make a video on how to helicoil this 50 motor, considering that the drain plug is now stripped out. So, of course, gotta have your motor. I pulled it out of the frame, considering that we have a lot more access that way, and it should be a lot easier. Anyway, yeah, so you'll need a M12 by 1.5 helicoil kit, thread repair kit, a drill, of course, and the motor. I'm going to open this up here. Then I recommend getting a little bit of grease, wheel bearing grease, putting it on the end of your drill bit here to pick up any burrs, any metal shavings that are inevitable when you're drilling out the case. After that, it's just a matter of drilling out the stripped out hole and getting it ready for your helicoil insert. Sometimes you might need a buddy to hold the motor for you in case it tries to spin under the bit. And if you did it correctly, you'll have a bunch of metal shavings stuck to the end of your bit there from the grease catching them all. Alright, sweet. Turned out pretty good. Got it drilled out decently. I don't know how well you can see it there. But yeah, got it pretty smooth. Now we have to tap it so that we can go ahead and insert our thread insert. So yeah, first put some grease on the tap, of course. Again, catch metal shavings, and we will send this thing home. Then you take your normal tap driver here. Try to send her in as smooth and steady and straight as you can. Well, of course, you're going to hit, aren't you? Yep. Now I take this tap driver, try to get it going straight. May not have enough clearance with this tool. Might have to figure something else out. Alright, so we're going to try this then. A 3/8 socket with the tap. Oh yeah, good. And when you're done, you should have some nice, decently tapped threads in there with which to seat your thread insert. Definitely going to need to clean out the inside of this one too. Then you just take your thread insert, put it on the end of the tool they provide you there, slowly drive her in. I have to adjust the depth on this tool a little bit. When you're done, if all goes well, you'll have a nice new threaded insert area. Alright, let's see if she threads in here. Oh yeah, that right there is good. Very good. Sweet. Oh yeah. Golden. Yeah, definitely recommend if you have a bunch of metal shavings, go down in the case, pull the clutch cover off real quick, pull your clutch out, and clean this area out as much as you can. So yeah, that is how you helicoil the drain plug on a KTM 50SX. For anyone who was curious, as I said at the beginning, it is an M12 by 1.5. Yeah, you should still be able to retain and use the original drain plug. So hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Really?